This is the soil for testing. We are testing the angle of the sluice. We want to see if angle is good enough for soil to be washed. Angle is adjustable here by using this mechanism. It's like a small device, gadget with the holes. That is where we are putting the bolts, and we can lift the sluice and change the angle. This equipment is for testing. The soil will be screened here. This is where water will come. Water comes from the water pump. The water pump is here in the water tank. That is where it is going to be recirculated. Okay, can you, Emmanuel, go there? We are now first to test the water pump and the recirculation of the water. Aziz, are you ready to start? Okay, then now you start the water. Yes. James, tie it there. You should tie it. Just a moment. Now we are continuing. The water is coming down from the sluice in this water tank, and it is being recirculated through the pipe again. We are getting the same water in this jerry can. Then it is going down. For now I see that water is running well. This is about 3.5 cubic meter per hour, and this is just enough water for the sluice, not more than this. So that means for 3 sluices, 1, 2, 3, we need about 12 cubic meter minimum per hour, which is good enough for 6 to 10 tons. If we have 20 cubic meter per hour, that should be enough actually for 3 sluices. So a small water pump should be enough.